Good morning and welcome back to the Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain. Thank you for your votes. Today we're talking about doctor drug abuse, which is really a hospital standard of care issue, and whether or not surgical privileges should have been removed. Let's get into it. The plaintiff was injured by an orthopedic surgeon during surgery. He severed a tendon in her foot while trying to install a prosthetic joint in her big toe. He unsuccessfully tried to repair the toe during the surgery, but then never informed her about the severed tendon. Several months later, the tendon ruptures. By the time the rupture is diagnosed, which is several months later, it's too late to fix it. Post-surgery, the plaintiff had complained of issues in the foot in her aftercare. Surgeon never ordered an MRI, only x-rays, and an x-ray is insufficient for seeing soft tissue damage. The surgeon had a serious drug and alcohol addiction and had failed a random drug test 6 weeks before the surgery. Furthermore, the surgeon was in rehab at the time of the surgery and was allowed to leave during the day for surgeries. And the question was, did that fall below the standard of care? Should the hospital have removed his surgical privileges? That's it.